Yeah, come in. Ah, Jason, sit down, Joe. What's your problem? I've told you, drop all these official thing. You're my man. Feel free, man.
Come on, Ned. You're my superior. This is work. Ah, it's boundaries now. Ah, yes, we are friends, but what do you expect?
No, wahala. I've heard you. Eh? Welcome. What's up now? I was going to ask you, the dinner. Wait. Sorry. Hold on. Hi, babe.
My love, how is it with you?
Well, I'm good. Just trying to wrap up the work for today.
Oh, okay. I just wanted to find out if you're still coming with Jay for dinner.
Jay, talk of the devil. The Jay you're talking about is here. Eh? I'll just leave you to find out from him. She wants to know if you're coming for dinner.
Good evening, Jay.
Good evening, Rosie. Listen up, Rosie. No man in his right senses will want to miss your meal. And I would never miss your meal for anything in this world.
I heard that. I heard it.
You not go and look for a woman to get married to. You are looking for people's wife that will be cooking for you.
Don't mind. See, don't mind it. No, I know. Don't mind it. Don't mind him. Don't mind that him and this is Olodo head. He's always goofing around. And very soon, I promise you, very soon, I'm going to get married. And my enemies, you know my enemies now. My enemies, they'll be put to shame.
Okay, oh, we're waiting. I'll see you guys soon. Can I talk to my baby, please?
Ah, my baby. baby.
Hey.
I'll see you guys soon.
Alright, baby, I'll see you soon, okay? Bye, I love you.
I love you more. Bye.
Bro, see this woman, eh? She's everything to me. She completes me. She makes me happy and she makes me feel like a complete man. I'm so happy to have her in my life, eh?
Look at your eyes, man.
Yeah.
You know they say love is a beautiful thing, but I am so happy for both of you.
Thank you.
Honestly, I am.
Thank you. So back to work, that's the fun, right?
Yes.
Okay, let me have it. So you just quickly go wrap up there, we'll go for dinner, man.
Let's net.
My man.
Alright, see you soon.
Okay, yeah.
Baby, I've always told you about this, your attitude of putting your phone on silent mode.
Come on.
One day, you're going to miss an emergency call or an important call. Eh? It's not nice.
Listen, babe, I forgot to, take it out of silence after the board meeting yesterday.
Regardless, you should. I mean, it's only fair.
It's okay. I know why you're saying all this. Because of the too many missed calls that Jay gave me yesterday, right? It's fine. I'll call him back. It's okay. Don't worry.
I just hope he's okay. I mean, it was 8 missed calls.
Babe, Jay is fine. You don't know him. He won't call you once or twice. He will keep calling. Don't worry. I'll just call him on my way out. Okay?
Okay.
Come.
All right.
Take care of yourself, right?
All right, you
Yeah.
too. Hello? Yes, Hey! Angie baby! Angie baby! What happened? Where have you been since? Wait, did you change your number? Hey, I beg you, come on! Look at you! Abuja big babe. That's why you just forgot your friend. Now wow. What? You're not serious. Yeah! In fact, God bless that your company. They did well. So both of us will now be in the same city. Hey, I cannot wait though. It's even a good time, safe. My wedding is coming up in 2 months' time. So you being around will help me, will help things for me. It will help make things easy for me. Angie baby! My God! Wait, did you change your line? Hey, Angie, I've missed you. Please, look at you. Abuja big babe. What? Hey, Angie, that's good news now. Really? My God! In fact, you see that company of yours? God bless them. God bless them all. So both of us will be in the same city. Hey. Yes. Really? Yeah, so my wedding is even coming up in 2 months' time. So you being around will help me a lot. To make please. I have a big house here. You can actually stay here until you sort yourself out. Now I will talk to my husband. Don't. No, it's not like that. He's actually very nice, but don't worry, you come. When you come, you see. Yes. Stop thanking me. Just carry yourself and come here because I've missed you. Alright. No problem, I'll be expecting you. Just call me when you're ready to come. Angie baby! We have a lot of things to talk about. I've missed you. Okay. No problem at all. I'll speak with you later, okay? morning, Jay.
Hi, good morning, Rose.
Come in.
Oh, thank you.
You didn't go to the gym today?
I wasn't disposed to go to the gym this morning. Thank you.
Nate is still at the gym. Did he finally call you back after your incessant calls last night?
No, I'm sure he will be expecting to see me at the gym this morning.
Is everything okay?
No. Yes. It's just a men's issue, and I'll be fine. Yes. You know.
Jay, I know you met me first, and you still feel something for me. But you never said anything until I met Nate. Now I am in love with him. And our wedding is in 2 months. It's time you moved on. No, for real. Just move on. Because nothing will ever happen between us. I am sorry Nate is your best friend and like a brother to you. But the woman for you will surely come. That I know. Okay? Jay.
I have to be on my way now. Thank you.
She found me, I can't tell. But she was strong enough to break my sleep. Said she was hurt and lonely. Said I couldn't give her all she wanted. My life was moving on good till the girl from the past came back. Now I'm lost and so confused. She's turned me upside down.
Hello. How you doing?
I'm fine.
You know, I must confess you have lots of energy. You know, I had to run extra miles just to meet you up, for real.
Really?
Yeah. How you doing?
Thank you, I'm fine.
Your face, I don't know, I've not seen you before. Are you new around here?
Not really. Why do you ask?
You see, every day we come out here, we walk out, I see lots of beautiful girls, but I've not really seen your face. That's why I'm asking.
You're so funny. Wait, are you sure you usually come out here to jog or come and look for beautiful girls?
Come on, take it easy, please, take it easy. It is what it is. You're a beautiful girl, so what do you expect?
Well, in a way, you're correct. I haven't been jogging. I just started.
Really? Okay, at your permission, I would want to be your personal coach. Trust me, I'm a guru on this. I'm going to help you. For real.
It's okay. I don't mind.
Sure?
I don't mind.
My name is Jasin. And you a beautiful girl?
I am Roslyn.
Roslyn.
Yes.
Beautiful name for a beautiful girl. Okay, Roslyn, now we're going to start, okay? How do we start? Okay, put your hand this way first. It's okay. Then we move. Come on, Roslyn. Come on, let's go. We'll take it 2 miles. 2 miles. 2 miles. You sure you're okay? Come on, Roslyn. No, don't be too fast. You're late, Rose.
I'm so sorry, I slept off.
That's the more reason to get an alarm clock.
Sure will, coach.
You sure?
Shall we?
Okay.
Hey, this boy will not kill you.
If you see this girl, wow, they tell you. If you see this girl, chocolate. But if you see her, man, she packaged smooth, fine, she gather everything. You need to see this girl cylinder. Tall, elegant, man.
Wait.
Hey!
Slow down. So, the way you are sounding, I'm suspecting that you are falling in love.
What does it look like again? I am in love. I am inside. I am swimming inside the love already. Inside the love. That's right.
So wait, officially, have you asked her out?
See, listen. You know, say this kind of thing during the rush am. You understand? Now, small. Like if I rush am now, begin the two step. It's not fair.
Hey, but bro,
step one after the other.
I understand. I agree. Step by step is fine. But you see all this kind of opportunity, you don't miss them because they come but once. So once you get this kind of opportunity, you dive immediately and do the needful. So this is what you are doing step by step. Omo, don't go and lose out. I'm just saying.
I'll think about it. It's okay, but that's notwithstanding, I'm sure we'll meet again.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
But me, truthfully, I'm really happy for you. I'm happy that my friend is in love. I mean, you found love. Unlike some of us that we're not even sure when we will settle down. Because we have them so many.
So many.
When we turn left, they're there. When we turn right, they're here. But I'm happy for you.
Thank God I've not learned this one from you.
All man for himself.
Oh my God! Ah! 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 My God! Oh! Ah!
Hey, sorry. What happened?
I twisted my ankle.
I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'll just help.
Ow!
Easy, easy, easy. Is that bad?
Yes, no, don't worry. I'll just go.
Hey, listen. I'll take you to the hospital. You don't joke with things like this, okay? Let me take you to the hospital.
Are you sure? I mean,
Listen, I insist. It's fine. Just come.
No,
Just
don't worry.
No, it's fine. It's fine. I'll take
you
you to
sure?
the hospital. Yeah. Easy now. Easy.
Ah!
Easy. Sorry, okay?
Okay.
You're right.
Bro, come and go. Welcome, man. Yo.
Oh.
Please have your seat.
Nathan.
Yeah. Sweetheart.
Eh?
Wait.
Bad guy. You just changed him like rapper.
No. Shh. This one is different, though. There is something special about this one. In fact, the way I'm looking at it, I think that this is my last bus stop. So don't even go there.
I see this is the first time you've told me something like this.
But I'll tell you now. Sweetheart! She's here. Baby. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yes.
Oh, hi. It's been a while.
Yeah. How have you been?
Good.
I don't understand. Like, you two know each other.
Yes. I met him when I used to jog. He tutored me on a whole lot, and he's great company too.
Oh, nice. But Jay, you never mentioned her. I mean,
Come on, man. Am I supposed to tell everybody I meet every day? I meet people every day. Come on.
yeah. I mean, it's a small one, right?
Indeed.
Okay, but it's fine. I'll just make it official. Jay,
Okay.
this is the love of my life. She means everything to me. Sweetheart, that's my best friend, Jay. He's more than a brother.
Oh. All I can say is welcome to the family.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I think I am the luckiest person on earth. I know the nicest man on earth.
Well, you can say that again. By the way, sweetheart, these men are famished. What's up?
Just give me a few minutes. I'll be right back.
All right. Guy, come. You see this one? Local area. As a matter of fact, by the grace of God, I walk on that aisle with her. This way I want to spend the rest of my life with her. She won't marry. So I'm not a joke.
Well, all I can say is you have my support. 100%.
That's my man. Aha, by the way, this girl you told me about. One girl like that. What happened? I mean, you don't chop her clean out.
I beg. You know something like that. I am not like that. Well, the truth is that I just found out that she is seriously engaged.
Yeah. Chai. I wish not film like they will put.
It is what it is. No, you don't laugh.
No, don't laugh. I'm not laughing. I'm not laughing. I don't find. God will give you. God that did it for me will do it for you.
It is what it is.
Oh, boy. I'm very hungry, man. Thanks, man.
Babe, we can't do this. I mean, we spoke about this and we agreed. No families, just us.
Baby, I know. But she's not family. Angie is my best friend from school days and we've been there for each other through thick and thin. Please, I beg you, let me help her.
Listen, babe, I understand.
Listen, it's just for a little while. She'll sort herself out and she'll leave. Please, I really need to help her this time. Please. Huh?
The truth is, I'm not really cool with this. But you know I'll do anything for you. As long as it makes you happy. Then it's fine. But she will leave before our marriage.
Of course she will. She'll leave, I promise you.
You promise?
You? Love you. I love you. Mwah.
She will leave before our wedding, right?
She'll leave.
You
She'll
sure?
leave. I promise you. She'll leave. Thank you.
Oh, sweetheart.
You forgot this.
Damn. Thank you so much. I mean, you just saved me from a whole lot of stress. Come here, my love. What can I ever do without you?
Eba.
You're funny.
But that's why you have me.
Okay. All right. I'll just run along right now, okay?
Okay. Just take care of yourself.
And you too.
Have a nice and beautiful day, okay?
All right, babe.
All right.
Take care.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
at you, baby! Oh my God! Look at you! You are looking so good. In fact, every morning you wake up, thank Abuja. Oh. Abuja did you well. You look so good.
Yunko.
What?
Babe, please give me 360. Turn now, turn.
Nebe, should I add another one?
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
I mean, who would look bad in such a beautiful house?
Please. Come inside, come inside. Let me to your room. We have a lot to talk about and a lot of catching up to do. I'm so glad to see all this. Hey you! Welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine. What of you?
I'm good. Just tell me, how was your day?
It was awesome. Yes. Arrived today.
Nice.
And as girls, we have been having so much fun.
I know.
Having girls' time out. Just chatting.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Oh, you're out already. Babe.
Yeah.
This is Angie, my friend. The one I told you about. And Angie, this here is the love of my life.
Yeah.
The only man that has my mumu button and knows how to use it.
You say that.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you too. Make yourself comfortable, okay?
Oh, thank you very much. Look, I sincerely appreciate you letting me stay until I get an apartment. Two of you don't know what you have done for me. Thank you so much.
Well, I think all those thank you should go to my wife. She made it happen, right?
Oh, am I not lucky?
Sweetheart, at this point, I think I'll just go upstairs. I had a pretty stressful day.
Okay.
Huh?
No
Yes.
problem.
Don't worry. Come on, baby. It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry. I'm going upstairs already. Yeah. Oh! Sorry.
Oh, sorry, babe.
Wow. Such a nice man.
I told you. Just excuse me. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Come here.
Lock the door.
You. Come here. Just come. Come.
Let's go. Give me nothing.
Listen. What are you doing in my house? And how in God's name do I not know that you're the one Rose was actually talking about? Wait. You had all this planned out, right?
What are you on about? What planned out? I didn't even know you knew Rose, let alone being her husband-to-be. All this is just a coincidence.
I don't care. I don't care. Now listen to me. First thing tomorrow morning, you pack yourself and get out of my house. Alright? In 2 months, we're getting married. I don't need you to come here and ruin everything for me. So get out of my house.
Really? No, Nathan, I'm asking you. What do you even care? I am closer to you now. You should be happy, not this unnecessary drama. You know, I let you go once. I won't do that again.
You're mad. You're completely insane. Now listen to me. We're done. We're done a long time ago. Tomorrow morning, get out of my house.
Okay, that's fine. You want me out, right?
Yes.
It's okay. You don't need to baptize me with your saliva, but I need you to get ready to explain to Rose why you suddenly want me out of your house. The same woman you told at night to feel comfortable. In the morning, you want her to leave. Don't do anything stupid because I will mess you up big time. You know me. Rubbish.
Listen, I've said it before and I'll say it again. I do not care about you or what you represent or what you're capable of doing. You are in my past. The best thing you need to do right now is to pack yourself and get out of my house. Leave my house.
Hey, you listen to me.
Babe! Babe!
Sweetheart,
Nate!
hey.
My God, what is the problem? I heard you shouting.
Nothing, actually.
I came downstairs to make a call. Babe, you remember Deji, right? Deji from my office. Yes, I think that guy is really, really crazy. Do you understand that? I mean, the office gave him some money to make some supply. Until now, he couldn't even do anything. So I came to shout on him. I really need to express myself to let him know that I'm very, very angry. I mean, it doesn't make any sense now. So I just decided to...
It's okay. It's okay.
Listen, babe, I'm the one that needs to even tell you sorry, all right? I'm sorry for, leaving you all by yourself. But I just didn't want to disturb your pretty sleep. So I decided to come downstairs and make the call. Huh?
It's okay.
It's all right. Come here, my love.
All right.
After you, my love. Yeah. So, sweetheart, make sure you take care of yourself, okay?
I will.
Good morning.
Good morning, Angie.
Good morning, Angela.
You're leaving already?
Yes.
All right, I'll be on my way.
Baby.
Yeah.
Please. Can you help me drop her? I mean, since your office is opposite hers. Please.
Yeah, sure. I'll drop out.
Thank you.
It's okay, I can manage. I hope that won't be too much of a stress for you.
No. It's fine. I'll drop you off.
All right.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right. Have a nice day.
And you too. Take care of yourself.
I will.
All right, bye.
Bye.
All right, baby.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, baby.
Bye.
get out of my car.
Can you just stop being hostile to me? Can you just stop? Come on, Ned. What is going on? This is not you. A lot has changed. You can't even look at me. You don't... Come on. Okay, it's fine. I understand.
Stop! What is your problem? What is wrong with you? Listen, Rose trusts and loves you so much. Doesn't that mean anything to you? Please, I beg of you, get out of my house, get out of my life. Let us be. Please.
What about what I feel for you? Seeing you ignites everything again. I still love you, Ned. I know you may not leave her for me, but please, even if it's a little. Why is this irresistible urge for you? Even if it's once, even if it's just a little, please. You know, I remember how you wanted me every now and then.
Hey, stop it. Don't even go there. Listen, whatever you have to say right now is all in my past. I'm a changed man, alright? And I love Rose. Cheat on her.
But you cheated on me severally in the past. You made me do all sorts of things. Yes, I did all of that because I truly love you. Please understand.
Get out. Get out.
How she found me, I can't tell. But she was strong enough to break my sleep. Said she was hurt and lonely. Said I couldn't give her all she wanted. My life was moving on.
So what are we going to do now?
I don't know. If I know, I won't call you. I am confused.
Listen up, Nat. You are going to man up. You are going to man up and send that devil out of your house at once. Look, we all have our past. Yes. But the ability for us to control it and not let it come into our future and destroy everything we are doing, everything we've worked for, is what makes us better human. Do you understand?
I understand. But you see, talking about the past, it's rough. You know, she had several abortions for me, right? Not once, not twice. I don't know how that will come out when Rose finds out. And the problem right now is Rose trusts her so much. So she might even lie or say something different. It's just so tough, bro.
So what are you going to do?
I don't know. And the thing is, I don't want to lose her. And I don't want to hurt her. Because hurting Rose is like hurting myself.
Look, man, this is huge. This is huge. I keep asking myself, where in God's name did that evil incarnate emanate from? See, listen, you need to be careful. Don't let her push you into doing anything you're not supposed to do until we figure this out. Do you understand?
Hi. My God. She's still not speaking.
Listen, baby, what's the problem? Why are you getting yourself worked up? Why are you acting like she's a baby? She'll be fine.
Can you listen to yourself? Can you listen to yourself? When will she come back? This is someone that closes by 5 p.m. And look at the time.
So what? Maybe she had a lot to do at the office. It's possible.
You're just assuming. I mean, if she had something to do at the office or if something came up, I know her very well. She will either call or pick up my calls. Honestly, I'm not comfortable with this at all. I am not.
Alright, fine. Fine. What do you want us to do now?
Look for her. Let's go out and look for her.
Babe, what do you mean go out and look for her? Do you know what the time is? It's late already. Okay, fine. Don't give me that look. I know. Alright? You know what I'll do? If she doesn't come back tonight, first thing in the morning, we'll go to the police station. I'll lay a complaint and then we'll take it off from there. But for tonight, we can't go out. It's late.
Baby, please. This is someone's daughter we're talking about here. And my friend too. She's under our custody, remember? Besides, it's not that late. I mean, just look at the time. It's to 9. Please. If you truly, truly love me, you should know what I'm going through right now. Please, please, baby, please. Let's just go.
Alright, it's fine. I'll just go get my car keys.
Thank you.
How she found me, I can't tell. But she was strong enough to break my sleep. Said she was hurt and lonely. Said I couldn't give her all she wanted. My life was moving on good till the girl from the past came back. Now I'm lost and so confused. She's turned me upside down. Oh, the girl, the uptown girl.
Ha! My God, what happened? Where have you been? Do you know we were almost going out to look for you? What happened? Ha! Where have you been? What happened?
It's a long day, Rosie. Good evening, Neta.
Good evening. My wife here has been very worried about you.
I'm so sorry. You know it's always hard to get a bus during rush hour, so I entered one empty bus, not knowing it was one chance fix.
What? No.
Yeah. Thank goodness the police intervened. Who knows what happened to them?
God forbid. Nothing would have happened to you. I hope you're okay.
I'm fine.
It's fine. Let's go inside. I know how you feel. Let's go inside.
No! No! Stop now. We can't do this.
She's really going through a lot coming back from work every day. From huge traffic to every other thing. Okay. Just imagine if those Monjans people had hurt her. Do you think I would have forgiven myself?
Listen, babe, I understand everything you're saying. But what I don't understand is, we've done too much already. Okay, think about this. What if she doesn't have us? What if where she's working is not close to where I'm working, like both companies are not really close to each other? What will happen? She's not a baby, she can take care of herself. Haven't we done enough already?
We have. But why should she stress when she can easily join you on your way back since both of you close the same time? Please, baby, I'm begging you. See, if I were in her shoes, Angela would do same for me. Trust me, I trust her that much. Please.
Hi, baby. What?
Your perfect plan has worked now, right? I'm sure you're very happy now.
What are you talking about? I
Now
don't
listen,
understand.
just listen. The only reason I'm doing this is because I love Rose. And I promised her that I would do anything for her, and that's why I'm doing this. And also, I do not want her to just suspect all these your fishy nonsense moves that you're making.
Nets, must you always label me bad at everything? Look, I said nothing to her. She was only being a sister's keeper.
Sister's keeper, my foot. You know what you're doing? Listen, if by any chance you're doing all this because of money, I will advise you to just tell me. I'll give you lots of money so that you will leave.
Nets. If it was money I wanted, I would have asked. You know what I want. Just once, and I'll let you go.
Never. If that's what you want, never, and it will never happen. You will wait forever.
Finally.
How are you?
Welcome. I'm fine.
Okay?
Yes, I am. So tell me, are you okay?
I'm fine.
How was your day?
It was okay. I'm out of stress.
Well, yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you for allowing your husband take me to work and bring me back. It's a whole lot and I appreciate it.
Can you stop? Please, stop. You would have done same for me or even more. So stop thanking me, okay?
Okay. You're really lucky to have Nita.
I know. Honestly, I couldn't have asked for a better man.
Oh, sincerely, I am happy for you.
Thank you. And hey, don't worry about anything. You that I'm looking at this, you that I'm seeing here, very soon your own man. Your own man that will love and cherish you will come. Eh? Don't worry about anything because you deserve everything good. You're a good person.
And I say a big amen to that.
Please, let me run his bath and then serve dinner. Okay?
There's one particular page I'm looking for. You see the address.
What do you think about this one? It's fine. It looks like an everyday...
I don't like the neck. It's too simple. It's too simple. Wait, there's... I saved that dress somewhere here.
Hey! See my dress. Oh.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, can you beat this one?
Hey! Oh, this is lovely. See the beads, see the stones. Oh my goodness.
I love it.
That one. But I still need to show you one. Love the stones. This is beautiful.
Honestly, like an angel.
Where's the picture I saved? Wait now, wait, there's one. Yes, I do.
Baby. Please excuse me.
Okay.
Babe, you don't want to touch my nipple. It goes with me. So, hey! What's wrong with you? What are you doing here? In my room? Why did my wife get in here?
Come on, man.
Hey.
Can you just be nice to me for once? Look, she's still in the kitchen. Let's just have a quickie.
Quickie? Yes. Quickie, kill you there. Turn back and quickly leave. Leave! What's wrong with you? Are you okay? Go. See, she just touched me. Idiot.
Hey, is everything okay with you?
Same thing I want to find out from you.
What? I don't understand. What do you want to find out?
Is everything okay with you? Because you've been acting so strange. Most times you're absent-minded. Other times you're talking to yourself. Everything has changed. What is the problem? Is it work or what?
No. I mean, yes. You see, babe, I didn't want to disturb you about my work stuff. I just feel I can handle it myself.
But I'll soon be your wife. And your problems are my problems too.
Thank you, babe. The truth is, there's this contract that I've been trying to get for a very long time. You know, we put in so much, like energy, time, everything. And up to this moment, we haven't gotten any feedback. So, it's really telling on everybody, especially me.
You shouldn't be bothered about it. Just give it time and stay positive. It will surely come. And while you're doing that, pray. I will also pray for you. That shouldn't be the reason for you to be worried.
You're a darling. Thank you so much. I feel so relieved sharing this with you.
You know I'll always be here for you. I love you. I love you very much.
I love you too.
Baby. 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 Baby.
She's not back from the markets. We have the whole house all to ourselves. Tell me, isn't this what you've always
Listen, just stop. What is the meaning of this? I mean, why are you dressed like this? Listen, this is my house. You should dress very decently, right? Now go to your room and just leave me alone. Get out.
Come on, Neta. Tell me you don't crave to still have.
Hey, listen, just stop. Stop this.
Yes.
What are you doing? Hey, listen. Listen, stop. Hey, listen, you, stop.
Brother, this is a clear revelation of what is about to happen if you don't act now. Trust me.
Listen, it's easier said than done. I know what I am avoiding. And I cannot let it happen.
So, what are you going to do? How do you solve this problem?
I don't know. You see, if only people will realize that their past can actually affect their future. Everyone needs to watch how he behaves. You know, and just probably live a good life. I brought this upon myself. I messed up.
Honestly, brother, this is not a time for blame games. This is not a time to blame yourself for anything. Trust me. I think the best option right now is for you to stand up and act. Let's do something.
No.
So, that was what happened. I had to let Rose go because I wanted Nat to be happy. You two can do the same. Please.
It's quite a pathetic story. But I am not you. And I can never be you. You met Rose first, like you just said, and loved her. If you ask me, I will say you would have fought to have her back regardless.
Listen, Angie, Rose and Nat are very happy now. They both deserve the sacrifice. Yes, it is true, you and Nat has gone through stuff, but it's in the past now. You can't bring those things right now to disrupt whatever thing that is going on now. I did the same. I paid that sacrifice. I am begging you to do the same thing. All I am begging you here right now is, whatever it is Nat has done to you, forgive him. Please. Let's allow these people get married and be happy.
But I am not stopping them from getting married. I am not. Come on, I'm not that bad. Ned already knows what I want. Is it too much of a demand to ask to still have your ex one last time? Is it?
Why are you doing this, Angie? Why? Is this not wickedness? Put yourself in the shoes of Rose. Is Rose not your best friend? Why would you do a thing like this? Do you think Nat is not going to cheat on Rose? Not this time, not anytime tomorrow, and it will not happen. So please, let's...
You know what? Tell him you did not get me. If I were you, God knows I'll be thinking of using this opportunity to get Rose back. We could be of help to each other, you know? Think about it. Thank you.
Nat, you're in trouble. This girl is the real devil's incarnate.
Jay, please. I know he said it's work, but I feel it's something else. I want you to help me and find out what is eating him up. I know he doesn't like disturbing me with his problems, but I have this feeling that can be of help. And I also know he tells you everything. What is the problem?
Rose, see, the truth is, if Nat says it's work, then it's work. The company has been going through a lot lately, and you know he's the head of operations. Everything is on his head. So, but if I find out that it's not work, of which I'm going to try to find out, then I'll let you know. But all I ask of you, just put yourself together and be fine. Take it easy. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you so much. But please, let this be between us, okay?
Your secret is safe with me.
Okay.
Baby! Sweetheart! Baby!
Oh, sweetie, you're home.
I'm fine.
Sweetheart, guess what?
What?
Remember some time ago I told you about the contract I was trying to get? Well, the good news is that contract just pulled through. I got it. Yes!
You did?
Yes!
You see?
Yeah.
I told you to have faith and pray. Now it has happened.
And I believe you.
Hey!
Listen,
I am so happy for you.
this is for you. I just want to say thank you for everything. Your encouragement, you know, especially when I was down. You were the one giving me all the positive vibe. So I got you this stuff just to say thank you and to let you know that I love you so much. Take, here.
My God.
And this is for you also. Check them out, check them out.
No.
Everything for you. Ta-da-ta-da. I know you like this one. I know.
What are we celebrating?
Angie, oh my God.
Angie, just look at. He bought a lot of things for me. Look, this is so beautiful.
Wow, this is so beautiful. I love it.
I've always longed for it. Look at this one. I love this color.
It's so beautiful.
Oh, baby, thank you. I love you.
Really nice.
Uh-huh. Check this out. This is so beautiful.
Babe, I'll just go upstairs to just, shower and rest.
No problem. I'll join you.
Yeah,
I'll
it's
join
fine.
you. I'll join you.
Right, just
Thank you for taking care of my best friend.
My God.
Which are you giving to me? Wait.
Hey, wait now. Wait first. Hey! This is for our girls' night out. The next, I know it's your size, but don't even think of it. Not even in a whisper.
Rosie,
Don't think.
Rosie, come on now.
My God! Ha!
Bravo, I must say. Nets. How smart can you be? I guess she was beginning to take cognizance of your sudden cold feet. Then you decided to pull the trick to balance the mood, right? Bad boy.
You're mad. You're sick. Something is wrong with you. Listen, I will kill you. I will strangle you with my bare hands if you do not leave us alone. I am warning you and I warn you again. Get out of my house and get out of my life.
Oh, there he goes again. Get out. Why do you always want me to repeat myself, Net? It is that simple. Set me free and I will go.
Never. Listen, so you just... that's the problem. Now you are supposed to attach this to the email. Always leave a paragraph.
I can see you guys are busy.
No. We are almost done. I wanted Nathan to help me go through my proposal. You know he's a genius.
That's fine. No problem at all. I'll be upstairs, okay?
All right. Let me just round it up.
Don't worry. He'll join me upstairs. Okay.
That's
I'll
okay.
still come to you upstairs.
Okay, amazing.
Yeah. So bring it. So what you need to do is just to carry that. This will punish you. I will punish you. I will kill you. So attach the email to this thing. Then click send. Then attach the receipt. Leave 2 lines. So good.
Babe, Mom called. She says she's not feeling fine and her blood pressure is high again. So the doctor gave her bed rest and she wants me to come and spend some time with her. Maybe 2 days or thereabout until Alice comes back from school. So please, can I go?
Of course, he won't object to that. Your husband is a very nice man. Besides, your mom's health is involved. So.
Babe, please. It's just 2 days, I promise you. 2 days and I'll return to you.
It's fine. It's all right. Just let me know when you're ready to go, okay?
I will. Thank you.
It's all right.
Thank you so much.
Don't worry, your mom will be fine.
Please.
Of course. I'll send everything to you. No problem. Yes, I'll just send them to your email and okay. Yes. Just check and I'll call you back. What are you doing here? Listen, get out of my room. Get out!
Ned, can you just calm down? Look, it's just the both of us here. What mood do you want? I miss you. I want you badly. Please.
What's wrong with you? I can't do this with you. I do not want to hurt Rose.
She doesn't have to know. This will remain and die between the both of us. Come on, you can call it a parting gift or whatsoever, but please, just let me have you for the last time.
She's turned me upside down.
Tell me you don't like what you're seeing. Tell me you don't want this.
Oh, the girl, the uptown girl.
Come on. It is all yours.
The girl, the uptown girl.
Net.
What?
Come on, man. What is it? What is it?
Listen, bro, I want to be left alone, please. Just leave me alone.
Well, if you must know, Rose called. She's complaining that she has been calling, you're not picking up. Man, what is wrong with you?
Jason, are you deaf? I said I want to be left alone, please. Just get out of my office.
Okay.
Yo, my love is back. Sweetheart, good to have you back. You know, I've missed you so much.
And I've missed you too.
2 days, but it's looking like forever. Good to have you back.
Look at you. 2 days and you've put on some weight. What did my friend give you? I mean, what did you feed my husband with?
Oh!
Well, when you left in the kitchen.
Oh, please.
Please. Especially the goosey soup. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. By the way, how is Mama?
Thank God she's getting better.
Really?
But mothers, they can worry. I'm glad Alice is back to handle her because Alice knows how to handle her very well.
I can imagine.
Mama,
Always like that, though.
I'm telling you. Yeah. So, I hope there is leftover of whatever it is you people have been enjoying for 2 days because I am down for it right now. Really? I can't wait. Yeah. I can't wait. Okay.
I miss you. Come, let's go. Let's go upstairs. Let me show you how much I miss you.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? Okay.
Come, let's go. Just go with this. Come in.
All right.
What are you doing, man? Look at you. Stop this.
Hey,
Stop.
hey.
What is wrong with you now?
Listen. Just let me be, all right? Leave me alone and give me my drink and just get out, please.
Nat, I know you're my superior right here. I know. But you're my friend, and I'm not going to let you mess yourself up in this office. What is wrong with you? This is an office. What is it? Take it easy on yourself, man. Take a grip on yourself.
You won't understand.
I understand. I understand everything you're going through. I understand what you're talking about. I understand exactly how you feel. Take it easy, man.
I have messed up. I have messed up.
This is a solution. This is a solution. This right here is not. This right here, the solution.
Stop now! What is your problem? Please, just leave me alone. Please, coordinate yourself now. Drop your mouth. What do you want to do? Babe.
Honey.
How are you? Your back's fairly. Come on.
I was calling you.
Oh yeah, I was using the toilet. Yeah. I think I was having running stomach.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
I forgot my flash drive.
Oh, okay.
There it is.
Well, that's it, huh? Okay. It's alright.
I want to use myself.
No, babe. Can't you perceive it? I just finished using that place, right? You go there, you will suffocate. You know I have running stomach. I think I missed being together, so that place is oozing. No, use the bathroom downstairs. So that you don't go on and the smell will not be following you. So you kiss me before you go now. Are you living like that? Come on.
I'll use the one downstairs.
Alright. Let me just, I'll just use air freshener.
Angela. What? Who's this? Alright. Yeah, I'm coming home now. I'm coming home, yeah.
Ready.
Angela. Angela. Ha! Angela! What happened? Rose! Angela! Angela! Who did this? Rose! Rose! Angela! Angela! Who did this?
Believe me, I am telling you the truth. I am innocent. I didn't kill her. Listen, I understand that the whole thing looked like it was very real because the police saw me with her dead body. But trust me when I say I didn't kill her. I just feel someone is trying to set me up. Trust me.
I know. I know you didn't kill her.
Thank God.
I did. I killed her. It was not intentional, but I do not regret doing it.
What are you saying? Listen, you can't kill anybody. Alright? I know you. You can't even hurt a fly. You're kidding, right?
It was your fault. It was all your fault. Nate, did you think I would not find out? How long do you think I will remain dumb? You would have told me. You would have told me that Angie wasn't who I thought she was. You know, I never suspected anything. Even though I was seeing strange moves, but I was not suspecting anything until her text message popped up on your phone while I was holding it. And that was when I decided to follow up your every move with her. Flash off! I knew she was hiding in the bathroom that day I came back pretending that I forgot my flash drive. You acted smart. And I decided to play along with you. And every night after that, you continued sneaking out of the room to go sleep with my best friend right under my nose. But what you didn't know was that I was awake all those nights. I only pretended to be sleeping. How could you, Jay? How could you? I mean, he tells you everything. How could they even do that to me? How?
Rose, I don't understand. Why are you thinking like this? Because
What do you mean by you don't understand? It is crystal clear. I saw everything with my eyes. Why me? God! Why me?
Rose, listen. You need to calm down. You need to calm down. Nathan loves you. I am very sure of this. Nathan loves you, and I can beat my chest and tell you anytime, any day that Nathan loves you. And I am very sure that whatever thing he's doing it for the interest of your relationship with him. He wants to protect it.
How? He loves me. How? He loves me and he's sleeping with my friend. My best friend. Right under my nose. What kind of a love is that?
Okay. I think it's time for you to know the truth. Yes. I'll tell you the truth. But you have to promise me that you're going to be very, very understanding. Take it easy. Calm down. Okay? I'll come over to the house tomorrow. Then we can talk about this. And we'll find a solution to this and solve it right there. Okay?
Madam!
You said your father is sick and you really want to go see him, right?
Yes, madam.
No problem at all. Here. This will be enough for you until you return, okay? Now, get ready and start going, okay?
Oh, thank you, madam. God bless you. I'll surely come back by next week.
That's fine. Start going now.
Oh, thank you, ma. You serious?
You bastarding bitch! Come back here! Shameless thing! You have the gall to sleep with my husband after everything I did for you! Huh?
I knew him first before you showed up. If there is anyone to leave, that should be you. I will stay here and do to Nathan whatsoever I want. Rubbish. Are you crazy? I will deal with you. I will deal with you. I will never leave Nathan for you. Are you mad? Nathan is mine. Nathan can never be. Nathan can never be yours. Nathan can never be yours. You cannot come from nowhere and take the man I suffered with, and I will not allow you come from nowhere and take my man from me. I will not allow it. You can never have my man. You can never, ever have my man. Never! Hello? Daytime.
Rose, trust me, no.
No. No to what exactly? Is it no to your wickedness? Is it no to your faithfulness? Or is it no to your backstabbing? That I loved you with my whole heart. I was willing to do everything for you. You could have just come out and told me everything. Like I said, it was not planned. It was a mistake. A mistake I made when she opened her mouth to tell me that she was sleeping with my husband. Right in my own house.
No, that's where you're getting everything wrong. Please, just listen to me. It's two things here. It's either you didn't understand what she was trying to tell you, or she was actually lying. I swear with my life, I didn't do anything with her. Yes, she tried. The only mistake I made was not telling you about everything. I didn't tell you because I didn't know how you will handle it. Listen, babe, remember the last time you traveled to see your mom? You were away for 2 days. God bear me witness, nothing happened. Yes, she tried, but I didn't give in. I swear.
If I were you, I wouldn't do anything stupid. I'll do the right thing and save myself.
Listen, Angela,
I am not ready to listen to anything from you because you have refused to listen to me. Your wife returns tomorrow. So I give you till the end of the week to comply. Else I will tell her everything myself. Trust me, you would not like what I will tell her. The ball is left in your court. Do my wish and go on with the marriage. Or I will spill and you lose her forever. Have a good day.
Hey, no, just stop.
Nate, what is it? Why are you still being stubborn? What has she done to you? Do you really want to be with her?
Of course, you know that.
Then do the needful and be with her. I promise to leave first thing tomorrow morning after this. Please.
Just stop this. This can't happen. I love Rose. Listen, why are you doing this? I thought you loved her as a friend. Why don't you just sacrifice for the sake of Rose? Look at me. I'm a shadow of myself. Okay, fine. If it's money you want, just tell me how much. I'll give you money.
I do not need your money. And what makes you think you can pay me? Come on, Ned. It is you I want. I want to feel your warm embrace. Your smooth ride. Ned, I want you.
Just stop. It will not happen.
Get out.
Listen, Angela.
Ned, get out. Out of my room before I scream out. Leave!
I love you so much. I wasn't cheating on you. I just
couldn't summon the courage to tell you about my past. Because I was scared. I didn't want to lose you.
Anytime you would have told me. You would have... My God! The whole thing looked like you were sleeping with her and she even said it to me.
No, I didn't. Please. Rose, you have to tell the police the truth.
What? Why would I do that? No. Listen. You brought this on yourself. You hid the secret and look at where he has landed you. So please don't involve me. I am not saying anything to the police.
Wait, but you killed her.
Yes, I did. But you were the one caught at the crime scene. Nobody will ever believe I did it. I'm sorry. I am leaving. I am going to a far, far away country. Nobody, not even you, will be able to find me.
Not so fast. Rose, you committed this crime. I can't stand here and watch Ned suffer for something he never did.
Yes, I did it. But his mistakes landed him where he is and he has to pay for it. After all, he was the one caught at the crime scene, not me.
I beg you, don't do this to me. Please.
You don't expect me to go to jail.
Not until I testify against you in the court with evidence. I couldn't believe you did what you did. I begged you. I begged you to stay calm so that we can put heads together and find a way to bring back your peace. Yet, you said no. You took laws into your heads. Net. By the time I tried calling you, you were already in the police net.
It was a mistake, trust me. I never meant to kill her. I mean, I was defending myself. It was self-defense. Yes, she came at me and I had to fight back. It wasn't my fault.
And that's why you have to bear the consequences. That's why you have to bear the consequences. I can't stand and watch my friend suffer for what he did not do. In here is an evidence. I just recorded every conversation both of you had here right now. In case tomorrow you might try to deny. That's it.
Bro. Nat.
You see, I don't even know how to say thank you. Thank you for everything. You've always been there for me. I didn't know that Rose was the mystery girl you told me about. I'm sorry, Jay.
It's okay, brother. Listen up. You're not just a friend, you're a brother. You're more than a friend. Okay, and you deserve this and you deserve more.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow. It's crazy, man.
Come on, brother. You know what? Let's just go home and freshen up, okay?
All right.
You look like shit. So how is it out there? In there?
Oh.